Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Socially. In today's video, we'll see some DIY Indo-Western dresses. And I would like to mention that there is not a single cut or sew required in this DIY. Also, you don't need to buy anything from outside. One more important thing here is that I made each one of the dress using sari. So guys, who doesn't like to wear a sari? Everybody likes to wear a sari. I love to wear a sari. So let's make it more interesting by draping it with a twist. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos coming. Till then, keep watching DIY Socially. See you in the next video. Bye bye.